Hi, Zoe the Video Confidence Coach, helping you build your personal brand with the power of video. Confidence behind and in front of the camera. I have lost it. It has been an interesting shoot morning, and it's still morning. I've got lots of stuff and work to do, as every business owner can attest to. But it's just actually quite comfortable here. So I'm just completely spaced out. But running a business doesn't always have to be about doing everything all the time. You're allowed to take breaks. You don't have to be a spuddle. Spuddle, I've forgotten the actual definition, but it's someone who's busy for the sake of busy but not really achieving anything. There's a lot of people that I've come across with in my business career so far that spuddle a lot. And it can come down to ADHD, it can come down to just needing to fill their mind with something at all times. I used to think of my business as me. My business is my personality, it's a reflection of me, it's all, like, it is me. And in the past 5 years, it's taken me a long time to realize that that's actually not the case. My business is an extension of me. And if it no longer serves me, then I can close it down, then I can stop it. I have other avenues to help people, to serve people, which is why I created my business in the first place. And hopefully, why you created yours too. Either way, that's alright. You're allowed to take breaks. You're allowed not to burn out. And if you need to take time for yourself, then take time. Hell, I've taken 3 years just for myself because that's what I needed. And now I'm back here in a slightly calmer demeanor. Could still bring my energy up if need to, but because I'm here, I can still bring my energy up and hype you up and bring up the energy if need be. But ultimately, I'm here to help you. So I now feel better to do so. And I'm going to stop now and go back to work. See ya.